Hi, this video is going to introduce a method to recover call history on iPhone 6. The software we are going to use is Dr.Fone. By using Dr.Fone, we can find back missing call history. Dr.Fone will be very useful for some scenarios. For example, your iPhone 6 was accidentally restored factory reset. All the call history records cannot be found. An important customer's call log was accidentally deleted. How to restore? In this case, Dr.Fone will be very powerful to get them back. Install the software, choose menu of Data Recovery, then connect your iPhone 6 to the computer. After it is connected successfully, now we will choose what kind of file we want to recover. In this case, we will choose call history. Click Start Scan. It will take a few minutes. Now we get all the scanning results. We can preview them by scrolling up and scrolling down. You can also preview them one by one. Choose whatever you want to recover. Click Recover to Computer. Finish. Thank you.